Ready? Let's do it. Tell me. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Dani, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my New Year's goals for 2018, how I'm planning for those goals, and just how I'm spending the first day of the year. So I really hope you guys are excited for this video. I plan on doing a lot more like this year, so if you're into it, make sure to let me know. If you're not, also make sure to let me know, and without further ado, let's get into it. So since I'm going to be staying home all day, I decided to stay super comfortable. So on top, I'm wearing the shirt from Brandy, and it just says Metallica. No, I do not listen to Metallica. Kind of wish I did, just so I could wear the shirt and not get a bunch of questions, but I do not. And the sweatpants are also from Randy Melville, and they're the comfiest things in the entire world. But no more procrastinating, let's get to work. Yes, it is January 1st, and I still have my Christmas tree in the background. So I'm sitting here with my computer, and I am ready to take the first steps in creating my 2018 goals. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is creating a checklist. The reason I'm doing goals as opposed to resolutions is because I feel like resolutions are a bit more inclined to be broken, and I'm not really sure if that's just a me thing or if that's just a general consensus that everyone feels, but I just feel like resolutions are a bit more vague. I don't know if that's just like a me theory, but if you guys feel the same way, make sure to let me know. But right now I'm going to create a running checklist. This is something that I can add to throughout the year if I think of anything else that I want to achieve, but this is going to be my initial list. So I'm gonna create this, and then I'll get back to you. Keep your number safe, cause I hope one day you'll get this and still call me. I'm hoping that you'll say you're missing me the way I'm missing you. Alright, so I think I finished my list of goals. Right now, there aren't a bunch of things on it, which I think is good because it's just filled with really obtainable goals. I'm not adding in a bunch of fluff and things that I just don't think I can get done realistically. So the first thing is to get a summer internship. And I had one this past summer, and it was one of the best experiences of my entire life. I love working so much, and that's not something that a lot of people can say. And I just had the most incredible summer and met a lot of incredible people and learned so much. The second thing is to expand a business outside of YouTube, and I definitely think that YouTube, as great as it is, it's definitely fleeting, and I would love to at least start expanding and creating some sort of business that can stem off of my YouTube channel. It might not flourish this year, and that is totally fine, but as long as I have something in the works, I think that's all that matters. The next goal that I have for myself is to study abroad, and my study abroad application status comes out on January 16th, which is super nerve-wracking, so I'm keeping my hopes up for that one. I'm hoping for the best, and I'm crossing my fingers, and I would appreciate if you guys did the same. This one might be a little bit more of a reach, but I think we can do it. My next goal is to reach 75,000 subscribers this year and just get more YouTube opportunities as a whole. I am lucky to be a part of a great management company, and I'm very appreciative for them, but I think the larger I grow, the more opportunities I'll get, so that's what we're hoping for in 2018. And the last thing kind of just goes along with study abroad, but it is to travel more, and I already covered that. So right now, this is my tentative list of goals for 2018. So now that I've written out all of my goals, it's time for step 2. And I cannot take any credit for this next step because I did not come up with this, but one of my friends here on YouTube, Hannah Ashton, she has an incredible YouTube channel, and she makes videos all about productivity and how to be a girl boss, how to start a business, and she just puts out a lot of really good content. And one of her most recent videos was her planning all of her 2018 goals. And in that video, she was nice enough to create a Google Doc for her viewers, and on there she asks you a bunch of questions, and it's like how I keep myself accountable of my goals, how I keep myself reminded of my resolutions, all of that cool stuff. And then she allows you to split up your year into 4 quarters and then decide which goals you want to achieve during which quarter and set yourself a completion date. I think that this is a really good way to keep yourself accountable of all of your goals and also stay really motivated throughout the year, because it's easy to stay motivated in January, but what about in June? So I really, really like the concept of this. Hannah, thank you. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna link your Google Doc down below for all of my viewers to see. So I'm going to get started on this and separate all of my goals out into quarters, and then I'll catch up with you guys afterwards.
Spend my time worrying of broken
Thank you, that was
promises.
really fast. Thank you, and a big thank you. My father, being the lovely person that he is, he decided to pick me up some Duncan. So if you guys were curious, my order is the iced caramel latte from Duncan. It's amazing, and it's just like the only thing that I ordered from there. Ooh, and this one's really good. And then I got a side of hash browns, because how could you not? I love the Dunkin' hash browns. So I'm going to eat that right now, drink that right now, and move on into my third tip. So if you guys didn't know, I am a very sentimental person. I love collecting memories and just finding different little ways to remember certain days and certain events, and that's part of the reason why I started vlogging, because I just think it's so much fun that I can look back on events like my prom or my graduation, or just little like days that I hung out with my friends, and I can literally relive all of them. I am a sucker for anything sentimental, so I'm going to be doing two things this year. The first thing is something that I've done multiple times in the past, and I am a huge fan of, and that is a memory jar. I just think that this is such an amazing thing to do every year, and I decided to do one for 2018, of course. And while we're on the topic of being sentimental, I want to share an app with you guys, because my roommate Molly actually shared this with us, and it was such a cute idea. So throughout our entire first semester of sophomore year, my friend Molly decided to use this app 1 second a day, and literally recorded 1 second of every single day of our first semester. And at the end of the semester, she put it to music and we played it on our TV, and it was so adorable. I love it so much. It was just so cute, and I thought it was such a cute idea. Wow, let's just say cute one more time, shall we? So yeah, those are just two things that I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully I'm giving you guys a little bit of inspiration on how to spend your 2018 and make sure that you make a lot of memories and keep a lot of memories. So I'm going to move this party back into my room. For those of you who are curious, I am in my guest room right now. Sometimes I like a switch up of scenery, and it's a cute little room. Personally, my mom hates the green walls, but I don't hate it. I think it's kind of cute. So it's now almost 4 o'clock and the day is starting to wind down a little bit, and I have been super productive, and I'm super, super proud of myself. The last few things on my list pertain to cleaning up my life a little bit, because I would consider myself a pretty organized person, and there's not a lot of toxic things in my life, so there's not too many things to clear out, but my desktop on my computer and my closet are two things that are always really, really cluttered. So I decided what better time to clear everything out than the top of the new year. And if you guys are into music and like following people on Spotify, my Spotify is always linked down below. Make sure to go follow me on there. I'm very proud of all of my playlists, in particular my November one. So that's what we're gonna listen to right now. Ready? Let's do it.
Tell me what's the situation. I've been racking on my brain, just want some answers if I ask you, but I know you'll never say it to my face. Say it to my face.
So this is the pile that I ended up with. It wasn't anything too big, but I figure it's enough. And my mom's going to my grandma's house right now, so she's going to be taking all of this over there, where we usually donate our clothes either to other family members or to Dominican Republic. So.
Or big brother, big sister.
Or big brother, big sister.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My head still goes. You stop, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. I pop that, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3.
It is now 5 o'clock, so it's been about an hour since I've last spoken to you guys, and I am getting started on editing this video. This was my final thing on my checklist because my initial plan was to film it and post it on the same day. I don't know how possible that's gonna be, considering I have an image in my head of how I want it to come out, and that could take a while. So I am going to get started on editing this right now, and I decided to end off the video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I thought it was so much fun, and it's definitely different for my channel. So if you guys liked it, make sure to let me know. If you hated it, also make sure to let me know, and I'll never do a video like this again if you don't want me to. And in case I haven't said it, Happy New Year. Let's make 2018 our year. I am so prepared to make this year my year. I'm just so ready because 2017, though it was a great year, was not my year. It didn't always go as well as I wanted it to. But this year is gonna be my year, and I hope you are thinking the same way. Stay productive, stay happy, and remember that I love you, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye!